Mississippi Sound until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Mississippi Sound east of Pascagoula, or near Petty Boy Pass, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound, and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles.
You shut the hell up.